In the heart of West Palm Beach, where dreams take flight, a journey begins. Meet the visionary behind the transformation, Alex Silva, the CEO of SCR Interior, leading the charge into a world of bespoke luxury. But every masterpiece begins with a blank canvas. The call is made, the team assemble. Watch as the magic unfolds. Precision, expertise, and a touch of brilliance. The SCR Interior team takes flight. Every stitch tells a story, every detail a testament to our commitment to perfection. Behind every great transformation is a leader, steering the course with passion and dedication. The stage is set for revelation. As the pieces come together, a masterpiece emerges. From concept to reality, a symphony of design and craftsmanship. SCR Interior, where dreams are meticulously crafted into reality. Experience excellence, embrace luxury, trust in the artistry of SCR Interior. From ordinary to extraordinary, witness the evolution of elegance. Where comfort meets sophistication, SCR Interior sets the standard. Meet the architects of luxury, the masters of aviation refinement. SCR Interior, defining excellence in aircraft interiors.